Janine, inaming maraming ginagawang kakaiba kapag magkasama sila ni Eko. Inilabas na nga ng Bello Beauty ang bago nilang ambassadors para sa Ultera Prime, ang mag-sweetheart at magkasintahan na sina Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales. Ayon pa nga sa naging post ng Bello Beauty. Bello Beauty, when you move with intention, the right moments find you, just like at Janine Gutierrez and at Jericho Rosales Official. Vibe behind the scenes of the hashtag Bello Ultera Prime shoot, where they talk about living in their prime and dealing with aging while looking and feeling their best. Nahinga naman ang panayam at nabigyan ng katanungan ang dalawa at ito ang naging kasagutan nila. How do you support each other in looking and feeling your best? Ayon kay Janine, marami silang kakaiba na nagagawa ni Eko kapag magkasama. Kagaya na lang ng pagluluto ng iba't ibang dishes na kakaiba sa mga ino-order nilang pagkain. Isa pa dito ay ang mga hobbies nila kagaya ng pilates, tennis at iba pa. At so happy sila na pumupunta sa Bello together. Ayon man kay Eko, support each other, encouraging each other, supporting each other mentally, spiritually ang ginagawa nilang pagsuporta sa isa't isa.
It has a lot to do din talaga with the everyday things, like trying to eat healthy together, trying to cook something maybe a little bit healthier than what we would have ordered, and working out together, whether it be tennis or Pilates or kahit a quick 15-minute stretch wherever we are. It really helps to have someone who also prioritizes health and taking care of themselves. And now we get to go to Bello together, so super happy.
It's nice to have someone to talk to about stuff that concerns you. Life matters na, you just need to discuss. So we support each other in that way. We talk about things and we make each other feel better by encouraging each other and supporting each other. It's just nice to have that kind of support. Also encouraging each other to pursue our dreams, telling each other, okay, hey, you need to rest, hey, you need to just enjoy, you need to just relax. That's how we support each other, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually.
Only Bello touches our skin. Who touches yours?
Ito ang maganda sa relasyon ni Janine at Eko na todo support sila sa isa't isa. Ginagawa talaga nila ng paraan para maging memorable ang bonding together na may katuturan. At in fairness so happy nilang pagmasdan at blooming pareho. Si Eko na parang hindi tumatanda at konti lang ang age gap nila ni Janine kung titingnan mo. Iba talaga kapag in love ang isang tao bukod sa maganda at gwapo. Ang aura, kakikitaan mo lang ng light ang buhay nila. Stress-free at di sila nagpapa-apekto sa mga nangbabasya kanila. Lalong higit kay Janine na palaging kino-question kung bakit si Jericho ang pinili na gayong may anak na at may dating asawa. Isa lang naman ang sagot dyan, mahal niya si Eko kasama ang nakaraan nito kaya wag pang himasukan ang buhay ng may buhay na hindi naman alam ang naging istorya nila. Gets nyo ba? Maging happy na lang tayo para sa Ekonin dahil totoo ang pagmamahala nila at hindi pang big screen lang or screen partner ang lahat. Soon, baka manggugulat na lang ang Ekonin at mag-announce na sila ng proposal kaya abang-abang tayo. Maging masaya na lang tayo para sa kanila at for sure, isa nga si Dr. Vicky Bello sa magiging ninang sa kasal ng Ekonin. Kaya, stay tuned. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.